What is up, you guys? It's Efren from Relentless Society with a brand new video for you guys. In this video, this is going to be really good because we're going to be exposing the truth about risk management. As you can see from the title, this is how important risk management is about, as well as what really risk management is. The truth about risk management. How to protect that capital. So stay tuned for this one because this one's going to be very interesting for my traders. And as always, if you guys did like the video, hit the like and sub to the channel. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Alright, you guys, so let's get right into the video. It's going to have 5 key levels and 5 most important things about risk management. I'm going to tell you right off the bat. Let's hit the ball with the bat. I'm not the type of person, 1, 2, 3%, 5%. Yo, that's not even, to me, it don't make sense. Right? If, let's say, to me, it would make sense if you have that big capital gain. If you're even trading, damn man, like 500,000. Now, if you look at 1% of 500,000 and you start questioning, like, oh, okay, 10%, then okay. But let's be realistic. If you're trading $1,000 of 1%, it's a couple of dollars, dude. You're not gonna follow that. $10, you're not. That's the truth. Call it as it is. It's the truth. So that's out of the park. We're not even gonna go over that in the video. I'm going to show you guys what the truth about risk management is and how important it is to really understand what that risk management really means to every person. Okay? Starting with number 1, risk only what you can afford. Boom, that already tells you I'm eliminating the percentage. That's going to tell you, what am I willing to risk? Put yourself a number sign, dude. Be honest with yourself. Okay, I got an $1,000 account. I'm only willing to risk $100, $50, but I want to make 100, or I'm going to make 100. If you're risking 500, 300, you're trying to have that 2 in it. But don't try to lose 100% of the account. That's not what I'm saying. Don't risk $1,000. No, I wouldn't. If you have $1,000, I wouldn't even recommend you risk 500. I would recommend you risk maybe 100, maybe a $50. That comes down to you as a person. If you're trading with a $50,000 account, hey, what would I trade with myself? This is myself. I trade by myself $500, and that's a 50K account. But that's what I'm okay with losing. You have to really ask yourself and understand yourself to really understand, okay, what am I not afraid to lose? Where am I okay to go in and be, okay, this is totally fine. If I lose this is cool, but I understand what I need. I need to learn where I messed up. I need to break down my strategy. I need to break down my risk management. That is crucial. Don't get into a trade and, oh, I'm down $500. I'm down $600. Oh no, I'm down 700, and then you start hurting yourself. Oh my god, I'm down so much. I'm down so much. Oh my god, but I'm gonna hold because I know it's gonna go up. No, bro, don't have the emotions attached to it. Yo, set that thing there. This negative 500, I'm out. I'm out. Even if it goes to 1,000, positive. What I want to make is 1,000. I'm not going for 1,100. I'm going for 1,000 closing right there. Be disciplined about it, man. Don't break your rules. Risk management is going to go a long way, and it's going to help you keep going. It's going to preserve your capital. Number 2, always use a stop loss. Don't move your stop loss. I don't care. Oh yeah, I use a stop loss, but man, I move it because I know it's going to come down a little bit and it's going to go back up. No, this isn't the game of let me play around with my stop loss. No, this is the game of, yo, my stop loss is here. I'm done. It's not moving from here. We're leaving it just right there. We're going to leave it right there. Okay, my stop loss is negative 500. Stop loss is negative 300. If it hits, it hits. If I want to give it a second opportunity, cool, I'm going to give it one more opportunity. Not 2, 3, 4. No, one more after my loss. And if it doesn't work, I'm done for the day. If I make one good trade, and that first trade goes good, I'm done for the day. Don't try to trade 20 times down the road. There's no point. 1 or 2, that's it, call it a day. On to the next thing. And use that stop loss. If my stop loss is negative 200, boom, using negative 200. If my stop loss is negative 500, boom, that's my stop loss. Don't try to bounce between 1 and 2 and 3 different. No, stick to what you, number 1, are okay with losing, and stick to that. Don't be bouncing around, man. It's not worth it. Number 3, track and review your trades. This is going to be very important. I made sure to add this to the video because a lot of people fail to understand what journaling even really is about. journaling is not only going to help you preserve but understand where you're losing your trades. If I want to enter this trade right here, well, my journal is going to help me understand where I messed up the last time so I can help myself enter the next trade in a better opportunity. So I don't enter the next trade going, oh shit, I messed up here because I decided to take a trade here when I wasn't supposed to. When my journal, I learned that this is not a good area. Oh, but this journal, so those little tweaks that you need to change, those little parts of your strategy that you need to work on, you can go ahead and work on and help that go do and better. So you can normalize how to get better in the trading world. You're always, as the markets move, the market's gonna move differently. You're gonna have to improve yourself as the market moves. That risk management is going to have to be improved over and over. Your strategy over and over again. You're going to have to learn how to work on yourself and really understand yourself. That journaling is going to be so crucial when it comes down to risk management. Because then you're going to start learning, okay, I'm risking too much. Let me risk a little bit less so I can have that bigger of a stop loss. Okay. Okay, cool. Understand, I'm trading YM, right? And if I decide to, like, look, I'll even give you guys a better thing. I have a sticky note on my table right here. And it literally has what each contract has, what my stop loss would look like, how many ticks and all that. I would recommend you guys make one. Absolutely. Do your research on the market. If it's points, ticks, whatever the case is in your world of trading, break it down. See what that looks like, and if you risk this much in this tick or in this point, how much would that be in that point? So that way you can really understand, okay, this is this, and you can have a really good moving or really good opportunity for that trade. 100% would recommend that. So journaling is very crucial. Number 4, position sizing is crucial. Very 100%. 100%. Because if you want to risk 500, you're not going to want to risk 500 and have 5 contracts, because now that's going to be crazy, because now you're too tight. That's the truth usually, and I'm talking about myself because I've been there, I've done it, I've messed up, and I'm not scared to say it. I've been there, but I learned. But if I want to risk 500 on YM, okay, maybe I'm okay with 1 contract 500, maybe 2 contracts 500, whatever that case might be. Okay, cool, that's what I'm okay with. But again, we go back to number 1. Find what you're okay with losing, so that number 4, which is position size, you can feel good about. If my position size is 5, then you better be ready to lose some money. But if my position size is 1, okay, I can work with that. Remember, the game is not about making so much money. It's about becoming profitable. Having that good market movement and that good account size, that good account growth, that risk to reward looking good. The money's going to come, that's for sure. But you need to work on yourself first. You need to work on your risk management. Because without that, that's not going to help you anywhere. It's not. I'm sorry. I'll be the first one to tell you. You're going to be in that shithole. It's the truth. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to tell you, no, here's... No. You're going to mess up over and over because you want to be a hardhead about it. It's the truth. I'm going to tell you the truth. You want to get better? Well, you better understand your risk management, because it's going to help you survive a lot more. Don't sit there and tell me, oh, I'm in a 50K account and I'm risking 5 contracts, because then I'm going to tell you what's your stop loss at. You're either going to give me a reply, it's too tight, which is what I'm going to tell you, or you're going to blow your account in 1 trade. That's the truth. I'm going to tell you the truth. Unless you're here sitting and you're trading the small accounts, the small contracts, which is then I tell you, we go back to your account. We go back to your market. Know the market you're working on. Your journal. Okay, so YM is not, I want to trade this much, but I'm not feeling good here, so I'm going to jump on the MYM. Oh, NQ is not MNQ. Now, you're learning different things. So now I give you the benefit. Now, okay, cool. You're not making the crazy money you're making on the regular market. So it's fair. That's the only way. But don't be doing some crazy 5 contracts on regular market. That's insane. Your stop loss is going to be too tight. The market's going to have to come back and move sometimes. And don't ever, ever get in on a trade that's already moving crazy. Because you're going to risk your account. Big time. Big time. My last one for you today, for you guys, is going to be, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't sit there and, because the strategy, no, bro, chill, breathe, man. See how that was intense for you guys to watch for a second? That's how you're feeling inside. Because I like this. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna full port this, bro. You are insane to even think about full porting. That's the truth. You are insane to even think about full porting. Insane. You're not gonna go down the street and you're not gonna go meet a girl and be like, turn around and give her a ring, and you didn't even get her number. You're not gonna go buy a car, and you're not gonna go hit 120 in the car with the dealership guy in the passenger seat. That's insane. The guy's gonna be like, yo, what are you doing? You say, yo, get out of here. Relax. I'll put it all in one basket. Look around. See your strategy. Be real about it. Okay, is this really my strategy? Am I seeing where I can even win with this? If my risk manager, is it going to work here? Is my strategy going to work here? Is this good price action? Relax. Don't just jump in the trade. Understand that you want to limit your chances of getting wiped. You shouldn't be buying 10 accounts in 1 month. 20 accounts in 1 month. Relax. Break it down. Study that account. Learn that account. So then that way you can really learn what's going on with yourself. So that way you can really push yourself to grow and want more, and to even have that opportunity to grow more and not blow so much capital. It's the truth. I've burned money in this, but I've learned to get better at it. I've been funded. I've been able to get payouts. I've learned. So you need to sit there and tell yourself, okay, this is this and that is that. But I'm not going to go A, B, C, D, E, the whole alphabet in one go. No, dude. Chill, man. Learn what the market is giving you. Overnight it wasn't too good. Market open wasn't too good. But I'm going to get in this trade. No, really? Does that sound realistic to you? Does that even sound right to you? Why would you even challenge that? Because I think this is my strategy. Yo, you're thinking that this is your strategy. Look at how you're already approaching the market. Don't put it all in one basket. That is going to be the ending of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys did learn some key information and can really put that into focus, because that risk management, like I said it throughout the whole video, is going to be key to saving your capital, blowing money, and understanding the market. It's going to take you a long way in this journey. So I hope you guys really learn from this video. And again, as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, or look at the description. I'll have my link there to my Discord. Join it. Feel free to ask me any questions in my DMs or in the general chat, and I'll be there to help you guys out. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Be safe.